welcome everyone to online class system which has been organized by the Darga Darshunari. How are you, dear student? I hope that you are well. By the grace of Almighty Allah, Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. I am Mustafid Rahman, lecturer in English at the Darga Darshunari. Now, dear student, we'll describe our class. Today, I will conduct the class of Alim first year and subject English first year. Unit 1, lesson 1. In the unit 1, lesson 1, we will describe. Now, dear student, you will open your textbook and page number 6. In the page number 6, we can see some pictures of the well-known pictures. At first, we will discuss about the pictures. Firstly, we will discuss the pictures. We know the pictures and we will details about the people. The people who is known as a well-known. Today, at first the picture is Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela was well known to the people of the world. He was the first black president in South Africa. He was always against the dominating of the time of the government of the time. So, he was a revolutionary leader of the time in South Africa. At last he became successful and became president in South Africa 1994. The second picture is Kazi Nazrul Islam. He was the well known to the people in the world. He was a great poet in Bengali literature. He was our national poet, and the poet always wrote his in revolutionary. He is called a revolutionary poet. He wrote many words, and all his writings was revolutionary. So he is called a revolutionary poet. The third people, Maulana Bhashan. He is well known to the people in the world as a social worker and a great leader and a philanthropic leader. He always tried his best level to beneficial the others. He makes his life innocent and honest. So he is called a philanthropic leader and great leaders. So we the people, especially in Bangladesh, know that Maulana Bhashani was a political great leader. So he is called a philanthropic leader. The fourth people who is well known in the world as a businessman, and his name is Bill Gates. He is well known to the people in the world as a rich people. So we know that he has say Microsoft software. He is the director of the Microsoft company. So he is called the well-known businessman in the world and famous people. He is famous in the field of business. So he is the co-founder of the business of Microsoft Office. Now we will discuss first lines in the passage. Through this passage, we have selected the important lines. These important lines I have written in the whiteboard. Here, the Nelson Mandela has said these lines, and going through the lines, we could understand what he has said, and this is most important for the political leaders, and this is most important for the people as they become successful men. Here he has said that I hate race discrimination. I hate race discrimination. Hate discrimination most intensely and in all its manifestations. Here, Nelson Mandela has said that he always against the racial conflict and the expression of that time in South Africa. I have found it all during my life. He has said he always, and at the 11th hour of his life, he tried to fight against the manifestations and dominating of that government in South Africa. I will fight it now. He has again said, I always against about this dominating rules, and will do so until the end of my life days. And at last, he spent his life against the dominating rules of the government of South Africa. And Mandela said in his acceptance speech on becoming South Africa's first black president in 1990. Before black president in South Africa, he has speech in his lectureship in front of the people. He always tried to fight against the dominating system, against the dominating rules of the government in South Africa. At last he became successful, and he became the first black president in 1994 in South Africa. The time for the healing of the world has come. At last he could understand, and this is the time of healing. Who are wounded at the time when the racial conflict in South Africa. And when he became the president in South Africa, he feels that this is the healing of the wounds. And the moment to bridge the chasm that divide us has come. When he became the president at South Africa, he tried to drive out all superstitions and superstitions, who is always separated there from the white people, because there was a racial conflict which was so important motto in the people of South Africa. So he always tried to drive away all the superstitions from the South Africa and became successful. And he became the black president, and he became the first black president in South Africa 1990. Today, this is the most important lines of the passage, and we will read this passage with concentration and try to understand the eternal meaning of the passage then we could understand about the real meaning of the passage. So I want to say about the student who are sitting in front of me, in front of mine. You will become safe from the pandemic coronavirus and become safety and to take careful about your health and your family, and read this passage with carefully. Thank you. Goodbye. Allah.